So the topic which we are dealing with today in today's session is one of the measuring instruments which we call it as Vernier calipers. Okay. So all of you know about your meter scale?
Yes.
All of you. Anyone who
Yes,
does not know about meter scale?
Yes.
ऐसा कोई है जिसको मीटर स्केल नहीं पता है? सबके पास स्केल है. All of you go and fetch your scale. The scale, the ruler which you have in your geometry box. Go and bring it quickly. Sanchit, man, switch on your camera. How many times I have to say?
Sir, is this okay?
क्या?
Is this okay?
हाँ हाँ चलेगा मुझे. मतलब वो तुम इसी से मेजर करते हो ना? तो
हाँ.
मीटर स्केल नहीं है. If you don't have a meter length meter scale, no worries. You have a ruler, small ruler at in your geometry box. Fetch it. All of you got it? Very good. Can you tell me by looking at the scale, carefully look at it, observe it, what is the minimum length which we can measure from it?
30 centimeter.
अरे तुम कौन हो? कहाँ चला गया? रुको ठीक किया जाए पहले. बैक.
0.1 centimeters.
तुम बाबू सुनता है रे विवान चौधरी हैं? मैं बोला अंग्रेजी में बोला था कि सबसे छोटा यूनिट लेंथ जो मेजर कर सकते हैं उससे. अब तुमको इतना अंग्रेजी समझ में आता है? 2 महीने से तुम पढ़ रहा है मेरे से. मुझे पता तो है तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी इतनी समझ में आती है अंग्रेजी. तुम सुनता क्यों नहीं है? आई रिपीट, what is the minimum length which you can measure from your conventional ruler which you have in your geometry box?
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter, sir.
Om Deshmukh, tell me.
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter. Vivan Chaudhary, 30 centimeter.
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter. So all of you agree to this that we can measure. Shubhaditya Datta, please switch on your camera if your network is good. So all of you remember this. The minimum length which we can measure using your regular meter scale or the ruler which you have in your geometry box is 1 millimeter, right? And this is called as the least count of the scale. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Least count of the
Least count of the scale.
ठीक है, यहां तक सबको समझ में आया है. Very good. Now tell me, draw a line. All of you draw a line. Random line draw कर लो एक. Don't measure that line. अरे जल्दी ड्रॉ करो कॉपी में फटाफट. क्या करते हो तुम लोग?
We're done.
Done ना? अच्छा रुको, नहीं don't draw it. I'll draw it and I'll show it on the screen and then you measure it, okay? हाँ तुम लोग सब अलग अलग वैल्यू लेके आएगा नहीं तो रुको, wait.
Then how will we measure on the screen?
अबे तुम स्केल लगाना और क्या स्क्रीन में? पहली बार काम करेगा ये सर.
Sorry.
ये भगवान चौधरी जी क्या हुआ है आज आपको? मन नहीं लग रहा है पढ़ाई लिखाई में? So this is the line, right? This is end A, this is end B. All of you write the length, measure the length and write your responses in the comment window. ऐसे स्क्रीन पे लगाओ अपने स्केल को ऐसे. मैं भी करता हूं, रुको वेट, मैं भी लेके आता हूं स्केल. हाँ भाई, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू मेजर्ड इट. मैं भी मेजर करता हूं इसको.
नहीं बोला है मैंने से.
क्या क्या नहीं बोला है? बताओ जरा क्या है? The
The
length
12
is in between.
7.2.
12.1.
ये तुम लोग कौन सा मीटर स्केल यूज कर रहे हो बे?
Sir, 11.9.
The 12.1.
मैं तो एक कैमलिन का यूज कर रहा हूँ, ये ठीक ही है, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये अच्छा ही होना चाहिए।
सर स्क्रीन्स डिफरेंट होती है सबकी, फोन्स अलग दिखाएंगे, लैपटॉप्स अलग, डेस्कटॉप्स अलग।
ओ, ये
The
तो शायद
12.1.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
PC पे.
सर 11.9.
नहीं, स्क्रीन का सबका रेजोल्यूशन अलग अलग होगा, ठीक बोल रहा है ये लड़का। तो एनीवेज, तो देखो मैंने व्हेन आई मेजर्ड इट, व्हेन आई एम मेजरिंग इट, ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू कैन जस्ट प्लेस योर स्केल। कैन यू गाइज आइडेंटिफाई, एक मिनट, हाँ, मैं क्या करता हूँ ना, इसको थोड़ा सा और दायां बायां कर देता हूँ, ठीक है। व्हाट आई वांट टू टीच यू इज, व्हेन यू मेजर इट on the screen only, okay, the length lies in between. The length is, does your end point, does the end of this line that is towards B lies in between any two of the markings?
Yes.
In my case,
Sir, can you
my
repeat?
case, I repeat, the end which is towards B, you place the zero towards the end which is at towards the left hand, right? The zero of the marking, sorry, the zero of the line should be, the zero of the scale is towards the left of the line, and the right end of this line segment, in my case, it is lying in between 9.7 and 9.8. Is it happening with you also?
Sir, for me it's exactly
No, sir.
7.2, sir.
Same,
Exactly
sir.
7.2.
For me,
Okay.
it's between 9.6 and 7. 9.6 and 9.7.
Okay. So I'm mentioning the values. My zero is at this location, and this point lies in between 9.6 and 9.7 centimeters. Now tell me, it's lying in between 9.6 and 9.7. So can I write 9.65 centimeters as the answer? How many of you would like to write it like this? Or
For
to be
this
more
answer to be
precise,
exact or approx?
just a second. My question is, should we write it like this just to be more precise?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Why? I know it is greater than 6 and less than 0.7 and less than 7.
But it can be
9.62.
between any.
So what was the least count? Least count of this scale was 0.1 centimeter, isn't it? It was 1 millimeter for all of us. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So writing this 0.5, 0.5 is an error here. See, what we are doing is we are showing that we can measure 0.05 centimeters also from this scale. Got it? Which we can't. That's why it's not good, it's not correct to write 9.65 centimeter, though the reading is in between 9.6 and 9.7. What we will do is we will write the minimum value. Even if it is closing towards, suppose this is 9.6. I'm just right for the sake of showing you, I'm showing it to you. Suppose this is not, suppose this is 9.6 mark and this is 9.7 mark. Okay, I'm just showing it, magnifying it and showing it to you. This is 9.7 mark on the scale and this is 9.6 mark. This end B is towards 9.7. So if you want to approximate it, you may attempt to write it 9.7, but don't write it. It's wrong. Which reading we will choose? The reading which is lower. That is the length of
9.6.
this line. That is the length of this line AB is equal to 9.6 centimeters is what I will write. I hope all of you understood this. Om Deshmukh, Jiyashini, Saurish Datta,
Yes, sir.
आया बेटा सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Rest
sir.
of you, Pravesh, Arav, Tasim, Tanushree, Rugved, Harshita,
Yes, sir.
Ridhima,
Yes, sir. Understood it.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, Shubhaditya.
So I didn't understand.
What do you didn't understand?
Yes.
I didn't understand the lowest point का
What?
relation. I didn't understand the lowest point का relation.
अरे लोएस्ट पॉइंट का रिलेशन नहीं भाई, उससे आगे का तुम मेजर ही नहीं किया ना तुमने। सपोज करो तुम्हारा तुम्हारा नहीं, अभी सुनो, ये लेंथ कितना है, दिस इज सम, यहां तक 9.6 आता है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
सुनो ध्यान से, यहां तक 9.6 आता है और यहाँ 9.7 है, ठीक है? समझ आया नहीं आया?
Yes, समझ आया.
Yes,
तो मैं
sir.
इसको क्या लिखूंगा? मैं इसको 9.65 लिख सकता हूँ, मैग्नीफाई किया मैंने ये, ठीक है? 1 मिलीमीटर को इतना मैग्नीफाई कर दिया मैंने। I have magnified this distance 1 millimeter. समझ आ रहा है? 1 sorry 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter. तो इसको I will write 9.6 only. I can't write 9.7. आरव जैन,
Yes, I'm understanding.
हाँ यही बोल रहा था मैं पहले भी। चलो अब क्या करना है, सुनो ध्यान से। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द लीस्ट काउंट, इससे कम नहीं हो सकता है, नथिंग, नो स्केल कैन बी लेसर देन दिस लीस्ट काउंट। ओके ऑल ऑफ यू? now if I want to measure the thickness of a paper, the thickness of the paper in your notebook, उसको कैसे मेजर करोगे? स्केल से मेजर कर लोगे? कैन यू मेजर?
और फिर 7
Sir, there is a type of measurement tool that's used.
हाँ, how will you measure the thickness of your paper? Can you measure it using your scale, the regular scale?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
right?
They will
So-
measure it with GSM like that.
Good. GSM is something different. It is thickness of the paper only, but not, you can't measure it. Can you measure it? If GSM is not given, can you measure the thickness of your paper using your scale?
Sir, no, sir.
No, sir.
That is the question, okay?
No, sir.
So now the question arises. The question arises how to measure it. For measuring this type of lengths, we have Vernier calipers. Okay, we have Vernier calipers, different measuring instruments. Now, Vernier calipers, usually the least count of Vernier calipers is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Usually, the calipers which we use in lab has a least count of 0.01 centimeter. We will learn how to find it. Okay. So this is the least count. Now, before moving ahead in this, just write this mind map. Copy this mind map quickly, all of you. I'll explain every point to you, but first make notes. Okay, it will save us time. फटाफट लिख डालो बेटा इसको एकदम, एंड इसको draw the rough diagram, whatever diagram you are seeing, draw it. ये जियाशिनी है कि नहीं है? जियाशिनी?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, हाँ. I got a message that you are not able to join.
Yes, sir. Later I joined for the first
हाँ,
like
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
6.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, the outside part moves, right? In the diagram on top right.
क्या क्या?
इसमें diagram में the the out the outer rectangle, the part outside.
वो तो वो बॉक्स है, वो सब उसको बॉक्स है वो। बाकी सब तो ये है, देखो जो ड्रॉ करना है वो क्या क्या करना है बता देता हूँ मैं तुम्हें।
Okay.
Sir, like there are some numbers given in the diagram, sir. Can you tell those? Those are very small.
If you want to write, you can write just for the sake of reference. This is one part of this diagram. The yellow part is one part of this diagram. And there is this other part of the diagram, which is this blue part. So draw it accordingly, okay?
Okay, sir. The numbers like 0.07 centimeters. Sir.
Try writing it. Try writing it.
Okay, sir.
I can magnify the diagram for you if you want. It's clearly visible now.
Sir, can you scroll down? I need to write.
एक काम करो ना, draw the diagram later on. First you write it, and then because all of you will be on the same page then. First write the pointers.
Sir, can you zoom out a little bit?
लिख लो ना ऐसे ही। नहीं यार दिखाई दे रहा है क्या?
नहीं, वो नीचे का दिख रहा नहीं है।
कौन सा बीच में नहीं दिख रहा है तेरे को?
वो बस मुझे 0 दिख रहा है।
क्या?
नहीं, मेरा देखता हूँ।
सबको दिखाई इतना बड़ा हो चुका है वो मेरे स्क्रीन पे।
Now, can you just reduce the, can you unmagnify the screen again once?
हाँ हाँ,
Can you just unmagnify the screen once? Okay. Up, can you go up a little bit? Yeah. And down. Down.
till this green box, all of you have written, noted it till this green
Yes,
box.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Green box.
Sir, we also need to note down the yellow and gray box, right?
Yeah, yes.
And the other diagram?
Every diagram you have to draw. Everything, whatever is there in this, you have to draw, okay?
Sir,
हाँ बोल बेटा।
sir, can you explain the equations जो लिखे हैं इस
अभी
above
नहीं,
this scale?
अभी सब करूंगा, सुनो मेरी बात
अच्छा।
सुनो। अभी मैं सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, तुम बस लिखो इसको, बिना
Yeah,
सोचे
okay.
लिखो,
Done.
ठीक है? जैसा जैसा सेग्रीगेशन में लिखा हुआ है वैसा वैसा लिखो,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? प्लीज नोट इट क्विकली।
Sir, can you scroll down a bit? I need to check if there's more.
बहुत है अभी. I think all of you have noted till this green part.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you show us the green box?
अरे तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? इतनी देर लगती है क्या छोटा छोटा पॉइंट लिखने में?
I did not see that.
अरे
Done sir, मैंने लिख लिया.
लिखो इसको जल्दी से. All of you noted this orange wala part, least count. This
Yes,
box,
sir.
just
Yes,
mark
sir.
this box with least count. See this gray line? Can you see this gray line?
Yes,
It is
sir.
related with this box, right? तुम लोग को मैं बना ही देता हूँ. देखो रे बच्चे लोग इधर. ये जो लीस्ट काउंट है वो ये बॉक्स इससे रिलेटेड है, तो इसको प्लीज एक मार्क करके रख लेना इसमें, ठीक है? आफ्टर दिस लीस्ट काउंट गो फॉर दिस येलो वाला पोर्शन. डू इट.
सर
हाँ,
डिस्काउंट बाकी है.
क्या कर रहा है तू? लिखो.
सर नीचे जा सकते हो.
हाँ हाँ. उतना जगह अभी अगर जिसने लीस्ट काउंट नहीं लिखा है, लीव दैट प्लेस, बिकॉज अभी व्हेन वी विल ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ वर्नियर कैलिपर देन यू कैन राइट इट, राइट? दैट विल बी विजिबल अगेन. So measuring length, the yellow part and the gray part. Write it quickly, all of you. थोड़ा fast. You have 5 minutes to write it. Quickly
Sir,
write
can
it.
you scroll to the last one, the gray part?
अभी 1 minute. All of you have noted this yellow part.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Anybody
sir.
still writing yellow part? Anyone who's
writing
still
the last
writing
box.
yellow वाला part?
Me.
Sir, is the example the last one?
Sir, can you please move down? Scroll down.
This is the last
Yes,
one.
sir.
Sir, should we write the, for example, for a lab VC 1 MSD?
Yes, write it. This is a lab Vernier caliper. One main scale division is 0.1 centimeter and all. So write it. It's an example only.
So should we also draw the diagram A, B?
Everything you have to write. Everything. When you're drawing this diagram, be careful to show these lines carefully, right? They're starting lines only. If you have noted till this, the negative zero error, that's in the diagram. हाँ
डायग्राम बाकी है
हाँ लिखो लिखो बनाओ डायग्राम.
Sir, done. Sir, can you zoom in on the diagram? Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, done.
Done.
Okay. Now draw this diagram.
Sir, can you scroll down, please? Thank you.
At least one question is asked in any of the exams, right? Whether it is JEE Mains or JEE Advanced or NEET. One question from either Vernier calipers or screw gates is always asked. Out of 100 times, 90 times they have asked. So learn it properly, okay? This seems to be easy. Yes, it's easy, but usually because of negligence or the students are not very sincere while learning it, they miss on these type of questions. Done, noted all of you till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये ड्रॉ करो जल्दी से, नीला पीला जो बना है, all of you, this vernier caliper diagram, draw it quickly. Or you take a screenshot, draw it later. You have 2
Okay,
minutes
sir.
to draw it. 8:45, I'll start explaining. चलो अब आ जाओ इधर, हो गया तुम्हारा टाइम खत्म.
So 2 minutes.
Take a screenshot ना, take a screenshot. On a count of 3, take the screenshot, draw it later. 1, 2 and 3. इधर देखो. All of you pay attention. यार थोड़ा बड़ा डायग्राम लेते हैं, रुको जरा, मजा नहीं आया इसमें.
So I've used this before.
हैं?
So I've used this before.
क्या क्या?
I have used this before.
अच्छा, used this before. मुझे लगा पढ़ लिया तुमने, मैंने पढ़ा दिया. कब पढ़ाया मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा था. वेट, सुंदर सा कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है यहाँ. एक मिनट. चलो ये वाला लेते हैं, ये ले लो. Can you guys see this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
I'll just showing it to you. Pay attention. Can you see the cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है.
नहीं रुक जा नहीं वन
अरे कौन है ये? यार ये क्या हो रहा है इसको? एक मिनट रुको बच्चों. हाँ ये थोड़ा ठीक दिख रहा है. हाँ, दिस इज गुड. सो कैन यू गाइस सी? These two are the outside jaws. Okay, all of you pay attention. These are the outside jaws. So when we want to measure thickness of a scale, thickness of the paper of your notebook, what we will do is we will place a notebook in between these two outside jaws. Understood the use of outside jaws?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
अरे हाँ ना बोलो सब लोग. All of you say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanchit, you understood or not? Sanchit,
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay, Harshita.
Yes, sir.
हर्षिता जी समझ आ रहा है आपको कि नहीं? हाँ. Now this, what are these inside jaws for? Inside jaws are to measure, suppose you want to measure the internal diameter of your glass. ग्लास का, अगर ग्लास नहीं, ट्यूब्स, फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव अ टेस्ट ट्यूब, तो टेस्ट ट्यूब का इफ यू वांट टू मेजर इंटरनल डायमीटर देन यू शुड go for this inside small signs inside jaw. So
Okay,
it is
sir.
measuring, it is used to measure the small distances, right, which have small openings, the internal diameter or the objects which have small openings, we use this inside jaw. Okay, now can you see the vernier scale, this vernier scale, can you guys see this?
Yes, sir.
It is written in inches. तो अभी के लिए वर्नियर स्केल, दिस इज द स्लाइडिंग स्केल विच इज वर्नियर स्केल, राइट? नाउ this is the fixed scale. On the main scale it is fixed, the main scale is the fixed scale, and on this the vernier scale, it, this jaw, the right hand jaw which you are seeing, this jaw and the vernier scale, they actually slide. This is the tightening screw. अरे रे 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 फिर भाग गया ये, अबे यार नहीं चाहिए था मुझे ये, हाँ ये है, ठीक है. So this is the tightening screw which we have. So once we fix the reading, एक बार हो गया fix, the measuring is fixed, and then we tighten it and then we measure it. I hope all of you can understand it. Any doubts in understanding the parts of vernier scale and main scale?
So,
Yes, ask.
sir, in the outside jaw, we keep the whole notebook or the page of the notebook?
Whole notebook. एक पेज का तो ये पकड़ ही नहीं पाएगा बेटा, बहुत पतला होता है एक पेज तो मान लो पेज तुम्हारे नोटबुक में 200 पेज है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो इट विल गिव यू द थिकनेस ऑफ दैट 200 पेजेस, राइट? हेलो?
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you will get the thickness of the 200 pages divided by whatever value you get, you divide it by 200, you get the thickness of one page. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक पेज का तो थिकनेस बहुत ही पतला होगा इसमें, ठीक है? तो नाउ कमिंग बैक टू हाउ डू वी मेजर, हाउ डू वी रीड दिस स्केल्स एंड ऑल. आ जाओ. अब क्या होता है, वर्नियर स्केल हैज डिफरेंट वैल्यू. कर्मन समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है?
Sir.
कर्मन
Yes,
सिंह
sir.
गिल
आ
कहाँ
रहा
है?
है, आ रहा है,
हाँ,
आ रहा है, sir.
तो vernier scale has different readings. So I am drawing this vernier scale. I am just drawing the part of this vernier scale. Okay. This is magnified. So this is 0, 1, 2. अरे यार DC क्या करता है? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. One, 2, 3. चलो समझ लो तुम लोग, ये 4, 5, ठीक है? एक मिनट रुको, जरा सेट कर ही देता हूँ इसको मैं. So this is 3, 4 and this is 5. So 4 and 5, ठीक है. चलो ये हो गया तुम्हारा वर्नियर स्केल, ठीक है? VS is vernier scale. This is 0, 5 and 10. So 10, every division is called, this is one vernier scale division, right? One VSD. Now, we draw them, we keep it against the main scale, and let's say we keep it in between, say first mark of main scale 1 centimeter mark, and let's say this is This is the 2 centimeter mark. इसके बीच में रख रहा हूं मैं, ठीक है? This is the 5th point. So ये 9 होना चाहिए. So 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. ये 5 था. 1 मिनट मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इसको तुम समझ लो भाई, ये ठीक है? और इसको I'll write it here. So when I am placing it between 1 centimeter mark, this is in centimeters, right? So I'm placing it between, this is one main scale division. In your regular scale, what is one main scale division equal to? All of you tell me.
1 millimeter.
It is 1 millimeter, right? One main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. So here you can see that between 1 and 2 centimeter mark, 9 main scale divisions. Can you guys see this? 9 main scale divisions. This is 1.9 mark. So 9 main scale divisions are coinciding with 10 Vernier scale divisions. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
the length of 9 main scale divisions is equivalent to 10 Vernier scale divisions. Yes or no? All of you tell me this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, our objective is to find the value of one Vernier scale division. How much does it measure in terms of millimeters? So what do we get from here? One
9
Vernier scale division
9
is
millimeters.
equivalent to 9 upon 10 main scale divisions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or one Vernier scale division is equal to 9 upon 10 into reading of one main scale division is 1 millimeter. So this is 0.9 millimeter. I hope all of you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
doubts you have?
No,
Om,
sir.
No, sir.
Om, I hope you are able to understand this.
Yes.
Sir, but both of them are millimeters, right, sir? They have to be the same, right?
Obviously, that's how we can, then only we can add or subtract them, na?
Okay, sir.
So one main scale division is also in millimeters, Vernier scale division is also in millimeters, right? Now comes, so in this is for a specific case, this is for a specific case when 10 Vernier scale divisions are coinciding with 9 main scale divisions. There can be situations like this. There can be situations like this where M Vernier scale divisions are equivalent to N main scale divisions, right? Or I think you have written N and M there. I don't remember it. Is it N and M or M and N? I'll write. Check your answer. Check your textbook.
So it's N and M.
N and M.
And
Yeah.
then
ठीक है. So we'll write the same, na? So N Vernier scale divisions coincides with M main scale divisions. One Vernier scale division is equivalent to M over N main scale divisions, right? So now what is the least count? So least count is always given as one main scale division minus one Vernier scale division. So that is in this case, it is how much? 1 millimeter minus 0.9 millimeter, which is equal to 0.1 millimeter. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this case,
Yes.
hello?
yes, sir.
पूछा किसी ने कुछ क्या? अच्छा, किसी ने नहीं पूछा. So least count in this case is how much? Again, one main scale division minus M by N main scale division, which is one Vernier scale division, right? Sorry, I'll write it 1 VSD first and then I'll write it. Place the values. 1 VSD. So this is 1 minus M over N main scale divisions, right? This is how the least count of a Vernier caliper is calculated. You already have written this, but if you want to draw the diagram or you don't have time to draw the diagram, you can draw it later. You don't have time to draw the diagram, you can draw it later. You have already noted it in the mind map. Just take a screenshot of this Just take a screenshot, and later on, if you wish to write it in your notebook as notes, you can write it. But go through it once. Before writing it, go through it once. Take 1 minute time. Go through it once. If you have any queries or any doubts or anything which you want to add, just ask.
Sir, 1 VSD is equal to 1 millimeter, right, sir?
In कौन बोला 1 VSD नहीं भाई, 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. Sanchit,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got
it was
confused.
main scale on which the vernier scale is coinciding, right? Hello, Sanchit,
Yes, sir.
you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
हाँ. So now let's learn how to measure, how to read the reading. ठीक है? How do we want to? How can we read it? So suppose I'll just take you back to the main slide. This one was there. So suppose I want to measure it now. And this is how, please focus on this diagram. Can you guys see this? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we were measuring something using this vernier caliper, and this is how the reading. This is 0 of vernier scale. This is 10 units of vernier, 10th division of vernier scale, right? This length is one vernier scale division. This length is 1 vernier scale division. Okay? अबे ये क्या करता है यार? चलो जो भी है, ये 0 है, ये 10 है वर्नियर स्केल का, and all of you can see that the 0 of vernier scale easily crosses the third 2.3 mark of main scale. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you will write, main scale reading is equal to 2.3 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because the 0 of vernier scale has crossed the 2.3 mark. Got it?
Yes.
Now what about vernier scale reading? Vernier scale reading.
Zero.
Check. नहीं, 0 नहीं. Check which marking on the vernier scale coincides with any of the mark of main scale. So here you can see that this is first, second,
Fourth.
third,
Fourth.
Fourth coincides with fourth.
fourth coincides with this mark on the main scale. हमें main scale के value से कोई मतलब नहीं है. It should coincide with any of the mark, right? So vernier scale reading is 4 units. Or you can write 4 VSD. हाँ बोलो, किसी को पूछना है कुछ? Anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody has any doubts? कौन गायब हुआ एक आदमी?
No, sir.
पता नहीं कौन गायब हुआ है. ठीक है, जाने दो. So this is 4 VSD. Now, how do I write in centimeters? So I have to find the least count. In this case, the least count was 0.1 millimeter. In this case, the least count is 0.1 millimeter. ठीक है? This is the least count. So vernier scale reading is now in terms of millimeter is equal to 4, that is vernier scale reading multiplied by the least count. What is that? 0.4 millimeters. Understood? All of you. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the final reading is now MSR plus VSR in same units. So when I convert this to centimeter, this is 0.04 centimeter. So when I add this, I get 2.34 centimeters. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
तो ये तुमने ऑलरेडी लिख रखा है, but you didn't know how to calculate it, so I taught you. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
how do you know what's the least count?
कौन बोला ये?
Sir Karman.
करमन सिंह गिल, 1 घंटे से मैं लीस्ट काउंट पढ़ा रहा हूँ बेटा अभी।
Yes,
तुम्हारा
sir.
क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक बार फिर से बोलो।
What is least count? How do you know what's
ये
least count?
मतलब और क्या पढ़ाया करमन मैंने आज? 5वीं बार बोल रहा हूं तुम्हारे लिए फिर से। 1 मेन स्केल डिवीजन माइनस 1 वर्नियर स्केल डिवीजन इन सेम यूनिट्स। अगर मेन स्केल डिवीजन मिलीमीटर में है तो वर्नियर स्केल डिवीजन भी मिलीमीटर में लिखना पड़ेगा। ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
तो we will move ahead. We will move ahead for today's session. We will continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do this one and the screw gauge. So we will do 2 measuring instruments. Always remember, this is one of the most important topics in any of the competitive exams, be it JEE mains, advanced or NEET. एक क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछा जाता है, ठीक है? इसलिए प्लीज लर्न इट वेरी केयरफुली. It's there in HC Verma in the first or second chapter. First chapter में है शायद ये. Go and check either in first chapter of HC Verma or second chapter of HC Verma. Check
Okay,
it,
sir.
read it, and come tomorrow. Okay? And
Yes,
revise
sir.
today's session. I'll post the recording in the YouTube and then you can watch it. I'll send it, then send the recording. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.